Oh my goodness, that is such a beautiful cake, Kylie.
Tell Daddy, what is it? Tell him about it.
Cake.
What is it?
A Flinty cake.
Can you tell me? I can't hear
wait.
you.
A Flinty cake.
Okay.
And then what is this?
And what's that going to be?
Sprinkles.
Icing first.
I think.
Okay, here we go. Wait. Don't get the sprinkles. You can do icing first. Here, look. Get your spatula. Dip it in the icing. And put it on the cake. Oh, here. Let me help you out. Let's get a lot more than that. Hold on. Let go. Here we go. Let's get a big scoop. Hold on. Let me get some more.
Yes.
And a big scoop. Like this. One more big scoop. Alright, now spread it all around. Alright, here, I'll take it. I'll leave my video.
Hey, who gave you that spatula? Kylie? Who gave you that spatula? That's right, Gigi gave it to you. Oh my goodness, that's such a beautiful cake. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So that's the icing. Yummy. Good job. And then you're putting it on the cake. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Good job, Kylie. Yummy. Are we going to eat this cake tonight? And what is this French cake? What is this cake all about?
Flinty cake.
Friendship cake.
Where did we hear about a friendship cake at?
From Strawberry Shortcake.
Can
That's
you sing
right.
the song?
Strawberry Shortcake. Strawberry.
Strawberries on your apron, that's right.
That's right.
Do you remember how it goes? Best friend in the world.
And he gets to hear him very much.
She's cool, she's fun.
So we do make strawberry shortcake.
Very good.